Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Really exciting video today. So I've had countless, literally I don't even know how many, tons of people commenting and emailing me saying, hey, is there any chance you can open up another one-on-one coaching spot? And the answer to that question is no, I can't. The reason I made one-on-one coaching the way that it is because that is my most efficient number. The number of students I have now, it doesn't, I'm not giving up quality of time spent with each individual person just so that I can make more money. So obviously, I'm not going to be doing scheduled monthly calls with a ton of people. But for the few who have asked, if you're actually serious about starting Amazon FBA, and again, this isn't going to be for everybody, but there are tons of people who are going to enjoy this offer. And it's probably just a small group of people, but that's okay. That's, if I could help a couple people, that's awesome. If I could help one people with this video, that's awesome. One person, I should say. So this kind of looks a little weird, right? Because I'm on my YouTube channel here. But what you're going to see is if you click down in the link of this description of this video, here is my links here. Here's the deal, guys. If you go to the Savage Sellers course, if you get the Savage Sellers course for full price, I will also give you a call. So this is going to be a limited time thing. Not for everybody, again, but if, here's another cool part about this. So say, the $5 minimum, so you could put $295 in here, or you could just put $300, doesn't matter much. You're going to do add to cart. If you're on mobile, make sure you hit add to cart. Don't do buy it now. Buy it now button is broken, and that's something I have to fix with Shopify. Head over, purchase this. I'll reach out to you. Don't worry, there's nothing else you have to do. Just get the course. Not only are you going to be able to enjoy the course, you'll be getting to schedule a call with me some point this month. It's only going to be for the month of May. Probably not going to do this down the road. So go ahead, and if you'd like, people, I could already see how this is going to go. Paul, I already have the course. How am I supposed to do this? This is an even more limited thing. I'm going to allow first 10 people to apply what they've already paid for the course as part of this full price. So if you've paid, if you paid $100 for the course and that was what you could afford at the time, and now you say, okay, I really want to do a call with you. How can we do this? You could just go buy the course again and then pay $200 and then email me and say, hey, Paul, I just sent a course sale in for $200. I already paid $100 previously. And like I said, for the first 10 people, you could use this use the difference of what you already paid to get in. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Just want to let you know, because of the vast amount of people have been asking me, hey, I really just need a nudge in the right direction. I have some things I want to go over. Some people love working that way. And again, this isn't for everybody. I know not everybody can pay $300. That's okay. Not everybody has to. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I'm doing for you guys. So if you get the course for full price month of May, you'll be receiving a call with me. Go over any ideas you have, any questions for me face to face. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys in there. Whoever gets in there, you'll be getting an email from me, be welcoming you in. Also, if you stuck around this long, congrats, because I have more information for you. You'll also be able to message me whenever you want. So I'll give you my Skype, and I understand. And that's, you'll get one call with me. You're not going to be getting monthly calls, but you'll be able to message me whenever you need. So if you ever have questions, you want me to check out an ASIN for you, see if it would be good to sell down the road, you could do that. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope some of you take advantage of this. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.